the fourth day that we are talking about the third Guru of Avdhoota, Dattatreya. This is our little session which we call the 2-minute satsang. And we have been talking about Avdhoota Dattatreya. Today there are some new people logged in. We have already talked about the first Guru of Avdhoota Dattatreya, which is Prithvi or Mother Earth. Yesterday we talked of Vayu or air and how Bhagwan Dattatreya could find something to learn from both of them, Prithvi and Vayu. Today, the third Guru. Let's see what Dattatreya learns from the third Guru. I'm sure that all of us, everyone, has had the experience at some time or the other in their life of just lying down, maybe on a beach, maybe on top of a mountain, in a garden, on a terrace, even maybe even in a swimming pool, for all you know, and stared up at the sky and wondered what this blue dome is, this sky which spans across the horizon and just contains our world like a big blue ball. Avdhoota Dattatreya must have also gazed up at that beautiful blue sky, that ball, that dome, but he must have seen something very different from what we see. He didn't see like just a blue ball that contains our world like a bubble. He didn't see a dome that spans from one end of the horizon to the other. He didn't see a limited space. What he did see is an ever expanding space that has no limits, that has no boundaries. He saw a space in which everyone and everything is contained. Galaxies, planets, suns, moons, stars. And because it contained every single thing that there is to contain, he called it Akash, because Akash means without limits. So Akash or space is vast. It's all pervading. Actually, there is no space where there is no space. It remains unchanging and universal. And the Avdhoot learnt by seeing this vast expanse, he learned that our Atma is just the same as this vast, ever all-pervading Akash. And he also learned that our hearts, not the organ, the bhav, is as big and as generous as Akash is. And it includes everyone and everything, galaxies, moons, stars. Our heart can include everyone. He learned inclusiveness. And he also learned that sometimes he saw dark clouds, but that didn't prevent the earth from seeing the Akash, the sky. The black clouds could not block out the sky. And he also learned that the sky appears to have different colors at different times of the day. Sunrise, a beautiful soft pink color. Noon, bright and sharp and hurtful almost to the eyes. And in the dusk, going down into twilight. In monsoons, dark clouds, dark skies. But he realized this is just an illusion of light. The Akash actually remains colorless, untainted, pure, unattached to anything that has come in its way. These are all the things that Avdhoota Dattatreya must have just gazed at the sky, observing it and learning from it. How does it apply to us? What can we learn from what Avdhoota Dattatreya learned? We learned, and we are learning right now, that we are not limited beings. Our true self is vast. Our true self is all pervasive. It's universal. It's unchanging. Lesson for us: recognize your true nature. And we must realize that there is unlimited potential in our hearts to expand and include everyone. We include our own ones and we exclude others. But we have the potential to include everyone. So our second lesson is be inclusive, not exclusive. And third, no material vishay, clouds, obstacles, nothing can block our true self. Do not fear. Lesson number 3. Do not be oppressed. Do not be limited. Nothing can create an obstacle for you to see yourself. Lesson number 3. And finally, lesson number 4. Our true nature is Atma. And Atma never changes. Atma is simply pure, never changing. What changes? Body. What changes? Mind. What changes? Intellect. And you are neither the body, nor the mind, nor the intellect. Just like the sky appears to change colors at different times of the day, in different seasons, and in different climates, we also seem to change with changing climates, with changing seasons of our life. Stay established in the Atma, which is your true self. Lesson 4. Lots to learn from space, which is even not visible, which is not tangible, but it's there. And Avdhoota Dattatreya taught us how to learn all this from this empty space. Lots to think about. Rog Nivaran.